Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about car crashes. Now let's dive in.
In an era marked by rapid urbanization and increasing vehicular traffic, road safety has emerged as a critical public health issue, demanding urgent attention from policymakers, communities, and individuals alike. The statistics surrounding road accidents are alarming. Millions of lives are lost or irrevocably changed each year due to preventable crashes. Factors contributing to these incidents range from distracted driving and speeding to inadequate infrastructure and lack of awareness about road safety protocols. In this article, we will explore the multifaceted dimensions of accident road safety, examining the pivotal role of education, enforcement of traffic regulations, and the implementation of innovative technologies designed to enhance driver and pedestrian safety. Furthermore, we will delve into the responsibilities of various stakeholders, including government agencies, private organizations, and the general public, in fostering a culture of safety on our roads. As we navigate through the complexities of this pressing issue, it becomes clear that a collective effort is essential to mitigate risks and save lives. By understanding the underlying causes of road accidents and prioritizing safety measures, we can work towards creating a safer environment for all road users. Importance of seatbelt usage. Seatbelt usage plays a critical role in enhancing occupant protection during vehicle travel. By securing individuals in their seats, seatbelts significantly reduce the likelihood of ejection from the vehicle and minimize the risk of severe injury or fatality in the event of a collision. Studies consistently demonstrate that wearing a seatbelt can cut the risk of death for front seat passengers by approximately 45%, highlighting its effectiveness as a fundamental safety measure. In addition to protecting individuals, seatbelt usage contributes to overall road safety by promoting responsible driving behaviors. The presence of seatbelts encourages drivers to prioritize safety, not only for themselves but also for their passengers. Furthermore, societal compliance with seatbelt laws fosters a culture of safety that can lead to improved driving practices and reduced crash rates, ultimately benefiting public health and safety at large. Wearing seatbelts significantly reduces injury risk during vehicular accidents on the road. The effectiveness of seatbelts in decreasing injury severity during collisions cannot be overstated. In the event of a crash, seatbelts work by spreading the forces of a sudden stop across the stronger parts of the occupant's body, which lessens the potential for traumatic injuries. This protective mechanism is particularly crucial in high-impact situations where unrestrained passengers are at a greater risk of severe bodily harm. Research indicates that proper seatbelt use can lead to a significant reduction in the types of injuries typically associated with vehicle crashes, including head trauma and spinal injuries. Moreover, the cumulative data on seatbelt efficacy underscores its vital role in enhancing driver and passenger safety. The consistent reduction in serious injuries and fatalities associated with seatbelt use reinforces the importance of legislative measures that mandate their use, alongside educational campaigns aimed at increasing public awareness. By embedding seatbelt usage into the fabric of driving culture, we can further mitigate risks and contribute to a safer driving environment for all road users. Understanding traffic signals and signs. Traffic signals and signs play a critical role in regulating the flow of vehicles and pedestrians, ensuring safety and order on the roadways. These visual cues provide essential information about right-of-way, speed limits, and potential hazards, enabling drivers to make informed decisions during their journeys. A clear understanding of these signals is vital for all road users, as misinterpretation can lead to dangerous situations. For instance, Recognizing the difference between a stop sign and a yield sign can significantly impact the actions of a driver, potentially preventing collisions at intersections. Furthermore, the ability to interpret traffic signals accurately contributes to a smoother transportation experience. When drivers adhere to the directives provided by these signals, the likelihood of congestion and incidents decreases, promoting a safer environment for everyone. Educational initiatives aimed at improving public knowledge about traffic signals and signs are essential, as they empower individuals to navigate roadways responsibly. By fostering a culture of awareness and compliance, the overall safety of the road network is enhanced, benefiting both drivers and pedestrians alike. Comprehending signals and signs ensures safer navigation through intersections and busy roadways. Effective navigation through intersections and busy roadways hinges on a comprehensive understanding of traffic signals and signs. When drivers are well acquainted with the meanings and implications of these visual directives, they can respond more appropriately to changing traffic conditions. This knowledge not only aids in preventing misunderstandings at complex junctions, but also fosters a collective responsibility among all road users to prioritize safety and compliance. The clarity of signals, coupled with a driver's ability to interpret them accurately, forms a foundational layer of safety that benefits pedestrians and cyclists as well. Moreover, consistent adherence to traffic signals cultivates an environment where predictability reigns, allowing drivers to anticipate the actions of others within the traffic ecosystem. This mutual understanding reduces the likelihood of abrupt maneuvers, thereby minimizing potential conflicts. Recognizing the importance of these signals is thus essential for maintaining order in busy roadway settings, where the convergence of various transportation modes necessitates heightened awareness and compliance. Regular training and awareness programs focused on traffic sign recognition can further enhance this vital skill set, leading to safer and more efficient navigation for all. Safe driving practices for all. Maintaining a safe driving environment requires a commitment to best practices that prioritize the well-being of everyone on the road. One of the essential principles is the importance of maintaining a safe following distance. This buffer allows drivers sufficient time to react to sudden stops or emergencies, significantly reducing the risk of rear-end collisions. Additionally, adjusting speed according to road conditions, including weather and traffic volume, is vital. Drivers should remain vigilant and be prepared to slow down when visibility decreases or when navigating through construction zones. Equally important is the role of distraction-free driving. The proliferation of smartphones and in-car technologies can lead to dangerous distractions, diverting attention from the road. It is imperative for all drivers to minimize these distractions by setting up navigation systems or playlists before starting their journey and refraining from texting or making calls while driving. By fostering a culture of attentiveness, responsibility, and respect among all road users, the likelihood of incidents can be significantly diminished, ultimately leading to safer journeys for everyone. Adopting defensive driving techniques helps prevent accidents and protects all road users effectively. Defensive driving techniques play a critical role in enhancing safety on the road by equipping drivers with the skills to anticipate potential hazards. By staying alert and being aware of the actions of other road users, drivers can make informed decisions that mitigate risks. This approach includes scanning the environment for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles while maintaining adaptability to changing traffic conditions. Employing techniques such as anticipating the behavior of others and being prepared for unexpected situations can significantly diminish the likelihood of collisions. Moreover, the implementation of defensive driving fosters a culture of responsibility among all road users. By prioritizing safety over speed and aggression, individuals contribute to a more harmonious driving environment where everyone can navigate the roads with confidence. This proactive mindset, emphasizing patience and respect for others, helps create conditions that protect not only the driver, but also passengers, pedestrians, and cyclists alike, ultimately leading to a reduction in incidents and injuries on the road. Importance of regular vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance of vehicles is essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Routine checks and servicing address potential issues before they escalate into significant problems, thereby reducing the likelihood of breakdowns. Components such as brakes, tires, and fluid levels require consistent attention to maintain efficiency and functionality. By investing time and resources into regular maintenance, vehicle owners not only enhance the reliability of their vehicles, but also contribute to overall road safety. Additionally, keeping a vehicle in top condition decreases the risk of malfunctions that can lead to dangerous situations on the road. Properly maintained vehicles exhibit improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and increased handling stability. This not only benefits the driver, but also promotes environmental responsibility and public safety. Ultimately, regular vehicle maintenance is a crucial aspect of responsible vehicle ownership, ensuring not just the driver's safety, but that of all road users.